Alright, so I just took a shower and did my skincare. Oscar trimmed my hair for me, the ends, and I think I'm gonna cut my bangs just a little bit shorter because they are getting long. Let me spray in my leave-in conditioner. And this is the one I use. So he just cut my hair straight across as a blunt cut because I feel like that looks best on my hair type since I have very fine, thin hair. I'm gonna go straight across first. Alright, now I'm just gonna style my hair. This is the hair cut and styled. I think it turned out pretty good. Okay, I think I'm done messing with my hair for tonight. I may have cut too much on this side, but it'll grow out. All right, it's late at night. I'm gonna get some sleep. I just took a shower and I did my everything shower. So I exfoliated, shaved, all in preparation for this guy right here. So this is a laser hair removal treatment. I've done, I don't even know how many I've done. I think I've done like 5 of these so far and it is working. Soon I'm gonna be slick like a little baby seal. And it is working because the hair is not growing back in like certain spots. So I just have to continue doing this and soon I will look like a baby seal. I did want to do laser hair removal like years ago, but then I got pregnant, and when you're pregnant you can't like do anything pretty much. So I had to wait, and now I finally have this. I saw a lot of good reviews for it. It's been working good for me, so I don't know, maybe something to look into. I'm not gonna show you like everything because like I use this everywhere. I use this everywhere. Also, I use this on the highest setting. I know it says to like start out at a low setting, but like when I did that it never worked, so I have to put it like the highest setting. I do all my sensitive areas first and then I do like my legs last. So yeah, I have to shave beforehand, but like the hair's not really growing back, so I'm happy. So that was just a little demonstration. I'm gonna do the rest of my body now. Time for some skincare and body care. So I'm gonna combine these two: Warm Vanilla Sugar Lotion from Bath & Body Works and then Black Opium by YSL. These two smell heavenly together. So I'm just gonna rub this all over my body. And if you do decide to do the laser hair removal, make sure you don't put anything on your skin before you do it, but you can put it on after. One thing about me is I love to smell good. Then for deodorant, I use this one. It's like a salt stick, but this works for men and women. It doesn't have a scent to it or anything. It's just a stick of salt. And basically you get it wet and then just rub it on. And this lasts all day. This is the only natural deodorant that I like, and it actually works. Surprisingly, I was kind of like, I don't know about this because it's like salt. It's different, but yeah, you do not smell with this at all. All right, now to move on to skincare. I already cleansed my face in the shower, and this is what I use if you're curious. Also, my skin type is sensitive and dry. I also have eczema, so I'm dealing with a lot. I'm gonna use this snail mucin. This stuff works wonders for the skin. You know, if snails can be happy, then so can you. So yeah, my skincare is kind of basic. I do different things for like morning and night. And I'm gonna seal that in with like some moisturizer. I just use this Vanny cream, but also the CeraVe moisturizing cream works well too. And then of course I have to gua sha. I think that's how you say it. Sounded weird coming out of my mouth, so. I heard this is great for like blood circulation and also draining your face. I do it about 10 times. There we go. So yeah, kind of basic, but the basic routines kind of work the best. All right, next up is makeup. So I'm not going to do too much today. I'm going to keep it kind of more natural. Eyeliner, mascara, and maybe like a half lash. It's like I have to do eyeliner. Because honestly, if your eyes look good, everything else just kind of looks good. Oh my god, I'm getting mascara everywhere. Anytime I go through like a little depressive episode, which feels kind of often in my life, I basically lose about like 10 pounds or so, and honestly I'm never upset about it. Anytime I lose weight just from depression, I usually end up gaining it back. But since I've been making like lifestyle changes, my skin looks better, my body looks better, everything is just improving. Okay, lately I have really been loving a half lash because it just looks so much more natural and blends a lot better. Just look at that. Looks so much more natural. Like, there we go. It looks so natural. I think I'm gonna clean up my liner a bit because I feel like it's still too thick and I'm going for more and just not as emo today, you know? Okay, so I don't remember where I left off exactly, but I think I was gonna do like my hair and makeup. It's been a few days. I did get a little sidetracked because I needed to charge my camera, and then my friends wanted me to play Fortnite with them, so I was just on all night and I forgot about like coming back and, you know, finishing. So we're here now. All right, so I think I got us caught up to where we were when I left off with my makeup, so I'm just gonna go ahead and finish it. Alright, so I finished my makeup. I'm gonna do my hair, so I'm just gonna put my extensions in. My hair is already like naturally pretty long, but I just like to add a little bit of color and just some volume. Alright, so there we go. Makeup and hair are done. I'm going to pick out some accessories and a cute outfit. Alright, so we are almost done. For accessories, I decided to go with these little sword earrings. And I'm also going to put these pearl beads in my hair since they match my outfit. And these just clip onto the hair. And then to go with this outfit, I'm just going to wear these white heels. Alright, that looks so cute. Let me back it up so you can see the entire outfit. I love wearing dresses in the springtime. They're just so cute. I love these little hair accessories. Oh my god, like I can't get over this. So that was my little glow up, get ready with me routine. I hope y'all enjoyed, and peace out.